Definitely this parcel need for all engineers and creators. Let's unbox this. This soldering iron having more feature than other soldering irons. In this kit providing you one soldering iron and 6 types of bits. You can check quality, see this, but don't judge book by its cover because all are iron bits only, no steel, no copper. Used sometime after looking like this. You can see here my old soldering iron condition. By the way, let's plug it and check it. Yeah, this is working good. Finally, temperature control also working. This is good, but it is average product. Value for money only. If you interested means you can buy. I think good for you.